Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the important tips and tricks. If you are IT developer, student, or you write a code, any programming language code like a Java, Python, C, C++, and sometimes we are using with the help of AI and write code or generate a code and use the same code in your logic, and sometimes we are not able to fix the bug because of we are not writing this code. So how to analyze this is a genuine code or AI written code? One of the platform are providing such a facilities. You can very easily recognize this is a human written code or AI written code. Let's check it out on my Mac screen. First of all, open the Google and type here Codespy.ai. I already added this link in video description. AI code detector GPT Gemini code detection AI detector. Enter here, click. This is a website platform. AI Detector Pro code is now Codespy AI Detector. That is really interesting. If you created some of the logic generated code using ChatGPT, Gemini or Copilot, and sometimes no one can recognize where exactly is bug. So we can first of all clear one of the concept. This is a human written code or AI written code. So that perspective, this is one of the best platform I saw ever, because of personally I am software developer. Sometimes I am also facing the same problem. So I introduced this platform on my day-to-day implementation and fix the bug very easily. Before start anything, we just simply register this website. As a registration point of view, just simply put it name, email address, password, and put it some of the question, and then simply register. The verification link going on your email address. Just simply verify email address. After logging, this is my dashboard. I will give you one of the important demonstration here. First of all, like here, generated report, project related information. We click here AI, and what exactly working this Codespy AI. We can simply click here AI, and here you need to put it here your code and select here one of the programming language. Currently the platform are supporting Java, C hash, JavaScript, PHP, Python and C++. Most of people are using Python and Java, so I just select here Java and put it here one of my personal code generated with the help of AI. So I just simply put it here, copy, and I select here and analyze here and wait couple of seconds. So look at this here, the particular code comes here in 98% as AI generated code, mostly in AI generated code. If you click here, so the score are providing you which functions you are copy from the ChatGPT or AI related chatbot. Everything is coming here. That is really amazing. Some basic informations they are also providing, and you can very easily recognize. This is one of the sample demo, and now we can see human written code, and let's see what exactly we are receiving the specific result. So I just simply I select my entire human written code and I just put it here human written code and the import function library, and I just simply analyze here and let's see. And look at this here, just only 2% is AI related, but rest of things is human written code. It's really nice and genuine. You can very easily understand which types of logic, what's going on in this particular script, and you can very easily analyze and find out this is a genuine code or AI written code. So simply one of example I will give you. I put it here one of the question, write a Python script random forest using time series data, and the Python code is generated. I just copy this code, and after that go back here. One AI generated code is a 33% and human written code, the percentage is coming here. We just simply click here and put it this Python code here and simply select here in the Python language and analyze, and let's see how much percentage result we are receiving here. So look at this here. Again, the Python code is mostly generated on AI generated code. Receiving the result is AI and human predicted. Here the report section is available. If you scan search here, so the results is coming here. You can select here the simple language and analyze the code is human right or AI right. That is really amazing. Here you can connect directly on your project as well here, so you can decide here the project related report. You can add this one from the project under the project section, and you can analyze every time if your manager and your team members are providing you Git repository or some of the code, so you can just copy the entire script, put it here and check this is the human right or AI right. Why I'm raising this question? Because of most of time copyright issue is going on, and if you are not creating test cases of your script, so this is one of the best platform to track your code, your logic is mostly genuine or AI predicted. Here the upgrade related option is also available here if you want purchase this subscription. Look at this here, 3 AI scan every month is free. Apart from that, you need to purchase the subscription, and you can use this 3 AI of all the languages. If you pay around 27.98 per month, so you can receive unlimited AI scan every day, and 4 people can access this particular subscription if you are a company owner or consultancy. So this is the one of the best platform, my suggestion. And apart from that, small business related options is also available here. Which one you won't like, accordingly you decide. I personally purchasing this one, $27.98 subscription. So this is the one of the best platform, Codespy. You can very easily analyze the code. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.